welcome back to my channel. My name is Shay. I am a full-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari.
I'm Tyler, part-time seller on Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, but hopefully at some point soon, full-time.
If we can keep numbers like this, then eventually he will be able to join me, but we will see. But yeah, so today's video is going to be a what sold video. I am excited to share it with you. It is probably one of our best.
It's one of your best weeks ever, I think.
Yeah, and so if you like that type of content, if you like what sold, bolos, unboxings, we do a lot of throw-up unboxings.
I mean, this list is full of bolos because you have a lot of quick flips.
Yeah, and we're going to do our best to give you breakdowns so you know how these sales were made. So if you like that type of stuff, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We put out new videos every Sunday and Wednesday. Click the notification bell so you're notified every time we put out a new video. And please, please, please give this video a big thumbs up.
Yes.
That helps us more than you know. I think a lot of you guys love to watch the videos, but we don't see a lot of thumbs ups or comments or things like that. And all of that really, 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 really helps. We're a small channel, so that really helps YouTube know that it is a video that people should see. And I think that this is going to have a lot of value in it. So please do that for us.
I think it's going to be a little bit eye-opening for some people. I think some surprising sales in here and some quick flips, which are always great.
I love quick flips. Those are my favorites.
So starting off with Mercari, 2 items sold. Peanuts t-shirt and Rebecca Minkoff. Peanuts t-shirt for $15. Rebecca Minkoff bag for $51. Both same-day sales. So, I mean, I don't think anyone's surprised at Rebecca Minkoff, but if you can buy a Snoopy shirt, $15, if you can get it at the right price, it'll sell. Going down the list, next will be eBay. I'm going through at a crazy pace. $50, Gal Meets Glam. $75, Peruvian Connections. We actually had this one returned and we sold it again.
Yeah.
So it sold quick both times.
Yeah. So
I would say buy that. Theory, $25.
That was a shirt.
Silk top.
Yeah.
$26.30 for a Bad Brains t-shirt that you
so
sold
that
twice.
Double sold. So we sold it on Poshmark. I hadn't even gotten home yet to delete it off eBay, and it sold on eBay. So we ended up keeping the eBay sale, mostly because if you delete it off eBay, then
you get permabanned.
Yeah. So I feel really bad about that, and my heart hurts on that one, but it sold really fast.
Sold twice really fast. So if you can find it, buy it.
Yeah.
Tommy Bahama for $20. Pants, linen pants. $23.60 for the Sequest DVD, which is a TV show.
Yeah, we're moving into that DVD market. We don't know a lot yet, but we will tell you as soon as we know something to share. But it sold same day. Same day.
Another quick flip. Next was $29.95 Cabby Amelia blazer, which didn't sell very fast, but it sold.
No, I had it a little overpriced. I figured out.
$17 for a Free People t-shirt. Athleta running blazer, $21. It's actually one of the hauls we did recently. Yeah. So relatively quick. $49.99 for a Kate Spade bag. So $21.64 for Lucy pants. And then Rachel's low top for $18. Yep. So rounding out the top. So that was a total of $377. Moving on to Poshmark. We're going through as fast as we can. $30 Bowden white dress. $25 for Anthro teal that had been returned to us.
Yeah, it was returned before because it said it had too many poles, but it's literally the style of
a
sweater.
Loose knit sweatshirt.
Yeah, so I wrote in there, returned previously for poles, which are the style of the sweater.
Yeah. Passive aggressive. if not passive aggressive, I don't know who you are. AG cutoff shorts for $20. Bowden wrap dress for $30. 5-star review because of yours truly.
Oh boy.
You were a little bit not particularly.
I was a little snarky with this buyer. So they had written in the comments, they had said, "Can you? Is there any flaws on this item?" And I said, "As per description, no flaws, no on inspection."
So it was up to the lovely husband to pull it back in and salvage.
Yeah, I was in a mood. You know, I was in a mood.
$60 for Prada heels. Those did sit for a bit.
Yeah, they
unfortunately. Did. $18 Fairy Kai pastel sweater type. $22 for high satin pants. Sateen pants. Whatever. $18 for a G unit shirt, which I told you not to buy the first time. $22 for a soft surroundings dress that we got forever ago.
Yeah, a while ago. Back when we were traveling.
Yeah, back before this whole pandemic, and we actually went on vacation.
Yeah.
$50 for a vintage Gumby t-shirt.
Sold in a few hours.
Yeah, same day sale.
Pretty sure we could have gotten more, but comps were kind of all over the place, and I like
buy all the vintage t-shirts because we had the Roger Rabbit one from a while ago. It sold same day within a few minutes.
We also sold that car one as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I mean,
depending on the graphic, you can sell them quick, and it's ridiculous. Dojos, $40.
Yeah, from our last haul.
For the last haul that was sitting in her car because she didn't want to go out and find them and list them. $20 for a Gap skirt. $22 for Zara overalls to one of you all.
Yes.
We actually had to argue over them wanting to pay us too much money for these. So we had a back and forth with them saying, how about $20? How about $25? No, we're not going to charge you $25. So we settled on $22. Where am I? Dolan Left Coast for $22. Joe's Jeans, same day sale, $22.
Yep.
The 11's jumper that we've had for a while. It's very pretty. It's a paisley.
It is really pretty.
ModCloth Ladybird? Wendy Bird.
You always say Ladybird. That's a movie.
It's also a person. $25. $28 for the Dance Marvel jacket, which I actually got out of one of the denim boxes.
Yes.
So that's finally gone. $45 for a bundle. It was a ModCloth dress and Clark's kind of cloggy.
Cloggy? Clogs.
They were clogs with a heel, though. It wasn't just straight clogs.
Yeah.
$20 for Everlane pants.
Yeah.
They were sweatpants or not?
No, they were regular pants.
Just regular pants? Okay.
Yeah.
$36 for 2 pairs of J. Jills. One of them was listed same day.
Yeah, it was a few hours later.
$35 for monsoon wedges.
Next day sale.
Next day sale. $20 for Drew pants.
Same day sale. Same
day sale. And then, drum roll, the best sale of the whole week, $170 for the Row shoes.
Boop, boop,
finally happy to get rid of those.
Yeah, and I learned about the Row from the Thread Designer box. If you guys didn't see the whole debacle, I can link that up here. But you guys told me in the comment section that the Row was actually like super, super high end, and I did some research and realized you're right. So I actually sourced those off of Mercari quite a while ago, and I sat and waited for the right buyer, and I wanted a little bit more, but
I mean, given what you paid, I mean, you didn't really devalue. It was right in line with some of the comps.
Yeah, we double checked to make sure it was right in line, and it was. So we took it, and yeah, I hope that they love them.
$22 for a J. Crew
sweater, and that sold within I think it was either next day or 2 days later. But all of this was listed this week.
All right, part I've been wanting to go over since the beginning of the movie. Beginning of the video.
Movies now.
Beginning of the video is the numbers. So for Mercari, 2 items at $66. So $59 gross. Average price of $29.70.
Well, it's 2 items, so
we'll get into the whole problem with statistics at the end of this. eBay was 12 items for $377.50 gross, net of $339, and I will be putting the numbers up on the screen to make it helpful. Average price of $28.31, and then lastly, Poshmark with 25 sales, 27 items with the 2 bundles. Your gross was $857, and then net was $685. Your average price per sale was $27.43. Average price per item, $25.39. So if you look at this by just the average sale price, Mercari is your best platform.
Yeah, but that doesn't count.
So the final numbers for this week.
Wait, hold on. Oh, okay. I guess we can do the final numbers, but I want to kind of go through.
We're going to talk about the outliers. Don't you worry. The final numbers for the week: gross of $1,348, net of
$1,084.73.
And she's getting balloons that show $1,000, so we can celebrate with a picture of some kind.
Yes.
And then, so of those, quite a few of them were quick flips.
Right.
So that is important to note. So we don't always have this many quick flips. Of the 41 items, 12 of them were within the week that they were posted, which is about 30%.
Yeah, so I will say that for a while there, we were getting a really great quick flip rate, and then it kind of died out. Like, it just died. Now, I have increased my listings this week. So I did go from listing about 3 to 5 items per day and struggling with that to consistently listing 10. So that could play into it. I think another thing that's playing into it is we are being more careful with what we're sourcing, and I also am expanding into the DVD type category. Right. So I am also paying more attention to sell-through rate on eBay. Now, I don't fully understand that yet. I'm still learning, but there is a video from Resale Dojo, which I'll link his video down below. But it really helps explain the sell-through rate on eBay. And you will realize very quickly that clothes have a very terrible sell-through rate. So if you're going to try to sell clothes on there, you're going to have to lower your price. So all of those things have been done. So keep that in mind when you're looking at these numbers. So yeah, the quick flip rate is very high. But then also this week,
closet clear out kind of helped at the tail end on Friday.
Yeah.
So of the 41 items, you sold 7 because of closet clear out, which is 17%.
Yes. So normally on Closet Clear Out, what I do is I'll just drop my prices, or maybe I will filter to likes and go high to low, and then go through and start just messaging my likers.
Yeah.
This week, however, I decided to just go through, and the most recent people that had liked an item that the offer had expired, I would reach out to them and offer them Closet Clear Out discount, and then also anybody new that day. And people just kept saying yes. Now, it could be because of the stimulus that came this week. Like, we're not going to ignore that. It could have been because it was Friday, or just could have been a good day. I don't know. But a lot of people were saying yes, and it was just kind of like, okay, sure.
I mean, you're not going to argue with someone when they're going to, well, except for the one person we argued with, but most of the time we're not going to argue when somebody offers to buy something.
Yeah, so, I mean, all of those things were anomalies for this week. Normally, I don't do all of that, but I'm going to start.
Yeah. I mean, I would say that you should, clearly,
yes,
given that you had 17% of your sales were from Closet Clear Out.
And I'm hoping that there will be more quick flips as we go forward, and I hope that trend continues, but I do get a little nervous that I might have just listed all my great items. And
might be a little bit spoiled. I don't know if you're going to hit 30% of your sales for the week are quick flips, but...
Well, I mean, today we're doing pretty good too. We won't spoil those numbers, but we're not doing bad today.
Yeah, she's been on a bit of a tear recently.
Yeah, so I'm spoiled. But anyways, that is what we have. So if that was interesting to you, if that was helpful to you, do let me know. We can also break down certain categories that we're having really good luck with. If there is something that you're interested in, you want to know, let us know. We don't know everything, especially when we're going into the hard goods. We don't know much of anything at all, but it's really fun to learn. So yeah. I'd be happy to learn with you guys.
We are failing our way to success, really.
Exactly. Let's do this. But anyways, that is everything we have. So let us know what you guys thought down below. Were any of these sales surprising to you? Are these type of items things that you normally would pick up? Let us know. It would be helpful for me to see what you guys are interested in. So,
and I will be posting the items and the prices and the numbers.
Yes. So hopefully you can see all of that. But thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys for all your support. I think that the support that comes from this community is what's helping me just keep growing.
Yeah.
And I can't even thank you guys enough.
It makes her day when you comment. It makes her day when you interact at all.
It really does.
Yeah.
So thank you guys so much for watching. We'll be back really soon with a new video.
Thank you all for watching.